Being ridiculous is basically the signature brand of orange cats. Catch you later!
Grinning how donkey flexes his teeth to his last breath.
No. You gotta go.
Do it for the camera. Action. Oh my God.
Don't ever make a drink and walk away.
Okay, there we go.
Me begging my friend for their time after they are in a relationship. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
Oh my God!
This is a private dining experience. Friends need distance sometimes.
I got you, good girl.
Is she supposed to leave her egg like that? Let's see if this table's useless. Wait, what? I didn't expect it to be this good. Day 1 of the fitness journey. He's thinking about that protein shake at the summit.
Mo.
Hey. Say hi.
Happiness spots hide his unexpected quarters, sometimes even in uncomfy places. Safety first. I can do.
Hey, du Chaos Queen.
The flavored water ingredient, the
What?
Oh my God!
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a moment to talk about the current ocean tax?
Wait. I can't.
Test a creature with sharp instincts and hearing, then think of a tougher game.
Say hi. Okay, let's go. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Come on. All right.
Must be the episode when Jerry gangs up with the dog against Tom. Puppy has officially resigned from the walking department.
Here comes the furry Aladdin and his magical carpet. Hold on tight and fly!
Why buy a Tempur-Pedic when you have a 100% snoring mattress?
Behold, our Vegetable Grinder 3000, where veggies become vroom vroom with a fluffy touch.
Looks like Kitty's taking a break from his flying lesson. The cat's face says, "The exfoliating massage is 5 stars. I shall allow it."
Oh my god, you scared me. I gotta go hide. Boo! Scared yet? Wait, where are you? Really hard to tell who's the real homeowner here. Personally, I'm guessing it's this cat.
All pro runners know that warming up is a must.
What fast food? This parrot is just inspecting this box for cleanliness. Spotless, right? And yummy too.
What are you doing?
This ferret's like, I played a note. Now it's pause for applause. What a showstopper he is.
Bro thinks standing on 2 legs looks more intimidating, but he completely forgot about his hilarious posing.
Earlier today, I made some biscuits and I covered them up with a tea towel to cool down on the stove. And I ate 0 biscuits. Cooper.
That's a bitten bird mimicking a reed to stay invisible.
Perhaps something big went down, and it makes today's cathood meeting packed to the brim.
Hi, baby. The most polite jaywalker in the precinct. When two best friends sign up for a marathon, the sheep is the limo and the cat is the VIP.
Not everywhere can you find a warm and safe sleeping spot like lying with Doggo Right Cat.
Being speedy often means you're also kinda clumsy. It's the truth.
One provides the aerial surveillance and one provides the transport. Those are the fluffiest train carriers I have ever seen.
Nothing really here. Maybe the Domino's one.
Oh yes, he's looking for the buy one, get one free deal.
Come on.
Not buddies so confident, they're the exception that they just ignore every boundary in sight.
Give it back! No! In the hole!
She's just rescuing a very heavy, dimpled baby from the grass.
Yes!
Dale un beso a Dios. Dale un besito. Una caricia. Feliz una caricia.
This is when even their passion for grooming can't override their pure disgust for an unpleasant scent.
This fluff is way more fun than my toys. I'll just...
¿Qué hacen acá ustedes dos?
Girls really bright when drink from the faucet without getting wet.
And your pets decide to remake that iconic 2000s movie, Freaky Friday.
Funny Lily.
Marciano this, Marciano that. That's why I'm so really happy. Because he's different cheeks. And now a little bit more of what actually happened.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
This ferret's like, I played a note. Now it's pause for applause. What a showstopper he is.
When people ask me how fast I lose my mind. We are literally watching The Fox and the Hound in real life.
What?
Ty такой смешной.
Pickle!
Dogs are so friendly and incredibly patient with kittens. See you in the next episode.
The universe's message from this little guy is stop reading parrots.
They love rummaging through the closet, but there's still boundaries and they can feel embarrassed.
Don't follow the crows. Follow your heart instead.
What?
If that cat manages to work out without proper equipment, what is your excuse?
Ghost Balayage Platinum 613. No. Stop. You get up and you just wreak havoc. And you think because you cute, you can do this thing, but you can't, Ghost.
Meet the self-appointed fashion police. He's making an arrest. These new ITs recommend that you stop typing and start seeding.
Ai.
Moose are naturally afraid of new things, but this one is quite brave. When you've experienced bunches of amazing things through chaos and start getting curious about places with absolutely nothing.
Do the donkey face.
Hey, look at me! Ouch, ouch, ouch! Somebody help! On the menu looks delectably authentic, but 0 calories.
Uh-oh, you walked into the wrong neighborhood. That blanket doesn't belong to you anymore. King wants it. King gets it.
What?
See? Never let these kiddos' tiny size fool you whenever there's a sudden mess in the house. Trying to find out if Bambi has any snacks hidden in those ears.
She's on the roller coaster of sleep. Whee! Whee!
When the local is a bit too friendly to the tourist. Looks like the cat really relates this kitten rebel phase and decides not to care. In the seahorse world, it's the males who give birth to the babies.
What are you doing? We have to leave. You need to get out. You need to get out. We gotta go.
Late for feeding might activate Kitty's scratchy mode.
The exact moment when physics has left the chat.
Where's Marty? I can't breathe. That's not good. Can you get down? Can you get down? Good job. You're very graceful. I brought food.
All right, we get it. You have a very flexible neck. No need to show off. What's that smell? Did this human not wash up before touching me? Better stay away.
That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed all the cute and funny animal moments. I'll see you again. Later.
What would it be like to play games with a grumpy cat? It looks like they all attend the same dancing class.
Nope.
Hey.
Nope.
Hey. They're so cute, all the little pigeons and like the little, oh god. They're so sweet how they're just bathing in this little...
Someone is on high alert, but their natural curiosity is clearly winning over that fear. Cats can be incredibly agile and great at problem solving, but sometimes they can be just this clueless.
How to ask for a lift in a feline style. Where can I buy tickets to this magic show?
They're just normal cows with a rap career. It's tongue twisters hitting the pasture.
Ma'am.
Nope.
Those eyes are pure judgmental alarm clocks.
Are you smiling in the mirror? Are you smiling in the mirror?
Note to self, never decorate a messy tree if you have a cat at home.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Huh? ทำอะไรเอ๊ะเอ๊ะเอ๊ะเขียนอยู่เห็นข้าตาเนี่ย
Those are the fluffiest train carriers I have ever seen.
To leave for work, and then I see this bird, and then there's another bird. I think they're making a nest in my car.
It could be sweet baby. Hey, don't.
One mistake, and you are fired, man.
Ow, 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 okay, okay. Yes, he wants me to.
When you're convinced the mirror's hiding an imposter, and take matters into your own paws.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're watching big dogs become the sweetest babysitters. Let's go! The little guy looks like he's reconsidering this friendship.
A vacuum cleaner is really handy when it also doubles as a fun ride for your energetic cats.
Well, I didn't know birds could play fetch too. Someone's like a toddler who played too hard and crawled back to parents for a nap.
You cheated.
Yes. Let me in the house.
Cats aren't just bossy with their owners, they're bossy with every single living creature within their control.
Go get her.